Imagine waking up tomorrow and money is gone. No cash, no credit cards, no bank accounts, no numbers and apps, not stolen, not frozen, simply meaningless. The paper is still there, the coins still exist, but no one accepts them. What happens next? At first, people wouldn't panic. They'd assume it's temporary, a glitch, a crisis. Stores would still open. People would still walk in. Until the first question is asked, how will you pay? And suddenly,
This price is wrong.
everything
Ma'am, the
stops.
system says it's correct.
Cashiers
But that's
freeze,
not what the sign
customers
said.
argue, lines break apart. Money was never just paper. It was agreement. And that agreement just vanished. Banks would be useless. ATMs become metal statues. Stock markets shut down instantly. Numbers on screens mean nothing. Loans disappear. Debts disappear. So does savings. For some, it feels like freedom. For others, everything they worked for vanishes overnight. Here's the problem. Food doesn't appear magically. Farmers ask, why grow crops? Truck drivers ask, why deliver? Workers ask, why show up? Without money, supply chains break within days. Not because of greed, but because coordination collapses. Money wasn't just payment. It was a signal. People adapt quickly. I'll fix your roof if you feed my family. I'll teach your kids if you protect my land. Barter returns. Skills become currency. Strength becomes value. Knowledge becomes power. Doctors are priceless. Engineers are essential. Entertainers struggle. Not everyone adapts equally. Cities suffer first. They depend on complex systems. Millions of strangers cooperating only because money exists. Rural communities last longer. Small groups. Direct exchange. Technology slows down. Not because it's useless, but because no one knows how to organize it anymore. Governments face an impossible question. How do you rule without taxes? Without salaries, police stop showing up. Soldiers go home. Public services fade. Power shifts. Not to those with money, but to those with resources. Land, water, food, energy. Money did something subtle. It told us how much things were worth. Without it, value becomes personal again. What is your time worth? Your effort? Your life? Some feel liberated. Others feel lost. Anxiety rises. Trust becomes everything. Over time, new systems emerge. Community-based economies, reputation networks, digital trust scores, resource-sharing models. Not perfect, not equal, but different. Money is gone, but exchange never disappears. Money feels permanent, but it's not. It's a story humans agreed to believe for thousands of years. So if money disappeared, would humanity collapse? Or would we finally see what truly holds society together? Because when money is gone, all that remains is us.